Here we are, on our Stillaguamish blanket, ready to learn some Stillaguamish language. Hotslachel, hotzisalbukh, hotslachel, stulagwabs, ya. We're going to go through a Lushootseed lesson together here today. And this is lesson 1 from the curriculum of tatačulbixw. Tatačulbixw, also known as Vi Hilbert by her English name, created a Lushootseed curriculum. I'm going to make a teacher's lesson, and then you can use that to get comfortable with the words, and then you can try to introduce the lessons to your kids and try to get your kids to participate as well. And it will be fun. It'll be fun to have some videos and some records of us using this time together to learn with our families. This first lesson uses animals to introduce some vocabulary. And I tried to choose some animals to use that a lot of us are familiar with already. A lot of the kids use these words in daycare. A lot of the adults have seen these words in tribal ceremonies, such as the word for salmon, spuladx. Salmon, spuladx. I'm going to say it one syllable at a time, and you repeat after me. Odd. The first syllable, su. Notice there's actually a stop after the S and before the U. So the first syllable is actually s, and the second syllable is u. Spuladx. The whole word, spuladx. Next word is bear. Spots. There's a stop in the middle of this word. Spots. So that word again is spots. The next animal is one that we might be familiar with. Sqəmay. Deer. Sqəmay. Animal after that. Pish. Who knows what a pish is? Cat. Pish is cat. And then we have the word for dog, sqəmay. The word for dog is sqəmay. There's a glottal stop at the end. It's not sqəmay, it's sqəmay, and it stops. Sqəmay. Another fun word is the word for spider that a lot of children are familiar with. That word is tatačulbixw. Tatačulbixw. You don't draw out that L. It's not tatačulbixw. That L comes to an abrupt stop. Tatačulbixw. And then we have just a couple kind of structural vocabulary words. So one word is a question word. Stob. And then to say that is ti'ith. There's a stop in the middle of this word, just like in uh-oh. Ti'ith. So if we wanted to say what is that, we would say stob ti'ith. What is that? Stob ti'ith. And there's a fun word that we can put in the middle. Owa. And that word, the best translation that we have for it in English is wonder. And that almost emphasizes the question aspect of that sentence. To say what is that is stob owa ti'ith. Stob owa ti'ith. What is that? And so let's go through it with the words that we just learned. The Lushootseed word for animals, by the way, is tatačulbixw. Animals. Tatačulbixw. Okay, so let's say the sentence, what is that? And let's reply by saying, that is a salmon. What's the word for salmon to start with? What's the word for salmon? Does anybody remember? Spuladx. So pay attention to how I put this Lushootseed sentence together. Stob owa ti'ith. Spuladx ti'ith. Stob owa ti'ith. Spuladx ti'ith. That's a salmon. Spuladx, salmon. Stob owa ti'ith. Spots ti'ith. That's a bear. Spots ti'ith. Stob owa ti'ith. Sqəmay ti'ith. Sqəmay. Stab owa ti'ish. Pish pish ti'ish. Stab owa ti'ish. Pish pish ti'ish. Stab owa ti'ish. Sqəmay ti'ish. Stab owa ti'ish. Tatačulbixw ti'ish. Tatačulbixw. The owa in the middle of the question sentence, stab owa ti'ish, is kind of optional. You can say stab owa ti'ish to ask what is that, and you can also say stab ti'ish. And it means the same thing, except for the owa adds a little bit of emphasis on surprise and wonder. I'm going to ask you a question, and you're going to try to answer it. Stab owa ti'ish. Spuladx ti'ish. A. Yes. A. Stab owa ti'ish. Spots ti'ish. Spots ti'ish. Stab ti'ish. Sqəmay ti'ish. Stab ti'ish. Pish pish ti'ish. Stab owa ti'ish. Sqəmay ti'ish. Hey, sqəmay. Stab ti'ish. Tatačulbixw ti'ish. Tatačulbixw. Thank you everybody for watching this video. I hope it's helpful. I tried to make it just quick and short and to the point. I have the pictures in there to try to make it a little more interesting and a little more visual to be able to get the kids involved. Keep in mind that you and your kids are both on the same level right now, learning this language. So it's kind of a fun thing to do with your child. So just try to have fun. Hoi.